Hi, I'm Charly Evon Simpson, and I am a playwright based in New York City. I wrote this play called Jump.
Cut that. I'm Whitney. I'm directing the piece. I live in New York. We both live in New York.
We do.
That's how we met. And Charly is a writer that I had been stalking on the interwebs, hearing about, secretly reading a few of her plays. And I got the opportunity to work on this. Playmakers is an incredible theater, and the current artistic director, Vivian, has been a wonderful champion of my career and development as an artist. The play is just beautiful. It's beautiful, clear, contemporary writing. It's a portrait of a family dealing with loss that they weren't mentally prepared for. It's also a portrait of a young black woman kind of navigating loss, navigating a family relationship with her father, a familial relationship that is a little rusty and dusty and not so easy coming, and follows her as she meets a new person, as this new human comes into her life. The play deals a lot with memory and time jumps and the experience of life, and the experience of life not quite being what you think it will be.
Whitney's so good about talking about my play. I'm
Because
just
it's
gonna
good.
hire her all the time.
You'll be the first people to see it, so you're kind of a really big part of the dialogue and a part of the play's life. This is going to be the first place that's going to, oh my God,
Kick
my
off the
brain.
rolling world premiere.
Thank you. That's going to kick off the rolling world premiere. So how you guys respond to it is going to have a wonderful impact on the piece.
This month, between January and June, Jump will be produced at 4 different theaters across the country. And so I will be hopping from North Carolina to Portland, Oregon, to Austin, Texas, and then to Atlanta, Georgia, with this play, and seeing a whole different group of people in each place sort of put their spin on the story.
Come see this play, okay? It's the bomb.
I'm so lucky to have these phenomenal women, human artists, creature souls in the room with us, making art. So
We're happy
that's
to be
all.
here.
Hi, how was the day?
It was good.